Hey everyone! Today, we're exploring Deepseek, an AI platform that's like having a team of experts in your pocket. Whether you're coding, writing, or designing, this tool is about to save you hours of work. Let's dive in. What is Deepseek? Show Deepseek's homepage with overlays. You. Deepseek isn't just another chatbot. It's a multitasking AI powerhouse that can write code, generate content, analyze data, and even automate tasks. Think of it as ChatGPT meets Canva meets Excel, but better. Here's how it works. Tool 1. Smart Chatbot. Demo. Ask Deepseek to explain quantum computing. You. The Smart Chatbot is your go-to for instant answers. Need to learn a complex topic? Just ask. For example, explain quantum computing like I'm 5. Boom. Clear, simple, and accurate. Perfect for students and curious minds. Tool 2. Code Generator. 2.6ing. Generate Python code for a weather app. You. Coding just got easier. The Code Generator writes clean code in Python, JavaScript, HTML, and more. Watch this. Create a weather app that fetches real-time data. In seconds, you get fully functional code. Even fixes bugs automatically. Tool 3. Content Creation Suite. Generate a blog post and social media captions. You? Content creators, this is gold. The Content Suite writes blogs, scripts, tweets, and even video descriptions. I asked for 5 TikTok ideas for a fitness channel, and it delivered viral-worthy concepts. Plus, it's SEO optimized. Tool 4. Data Analyst. Upload sales data and generate insights. You. Analysts, meet your new best friend. Upload a CSV file and Deepseek will predict trends, create charts and summarize findings. Example, forecast Q3 revenue based on this data. It's like having a data scientist on standby. Deepseek does it all in one place. Smash that like button if this helped, subscribe for more AI tips, and comment below what tool you'll try first. Catch you next time.